Hi everyone, I hope you all are safe and doing great. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how I got this beautiful base makeup look by using 3 makeup products. I hope you guys can see it looks so glowy, dewy, hydrated, and it's so lightweight, perfect for this winter season. So if you are interested in seeing how I got this beautiful base makeup look by using just 3 products, then please keep on watching. But before that, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit on that notification bell so that every single time I upload a video, you will get notified and you don't miss out on anything. By the way guys, all of the products I've used today in this particular video are from the brand Mamaearth. I absolutely love their foundation. Their concealer is something which is very hydrating on the skin and they are perfect for everyday use. And now I have their Glow Mattifying Loose Powder as well. So today I'll be reviewing it and let you guys know what I think about it. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Mamaearth is an Indian brand. It's cruelty free and dermatologically tested. All of the products are free from any kind of toxins or harmful chemicals that can harm your skin, and every time you buy from them, they will link your order to a tree that they're gonna plant on your behalf. The exact geolocation, the species of the plant, everything will be sent to you. Mamaearth do have their official app as well, where users can get early access to the sales and get some extra discount. I do have a coupon code with them which is flashing on the screen right now. If you use that, you will get extra 20% off on their app as well as on their website. But this is not an affiliate code, so I'm not gonna make any money out of it. This is just for you guys.
Number 1, you need to prep your skin really well with a good hydrating moisturizer. Next, I'll be using their Glow Serum foundation in the shade 04. Normally, I mix the shade 02 and 03 to get my perfect shade, but as I'm very tanned right now, so I'm using the shade 04. I love that this foundation has turmeric and vitamin C. It's so hydrating on the skin. It's very lightweight and moisturizing, perfect for this winter season. This is quite long lasting, and when you apply it on your skin, it almost feels like you have applied a skin tint. So I like to apply a very thin layer all over my skin, and whatever is left in the beauty sponge, I just apply it all over my forehead. I hope you guys can see how nice and dewy my skin looks. Next, I'll be taking their Glow Hydrating Concealer in the shade 03. This also has vitamin C and turmeric, and it conceals, hydrates, and makes your skin glow. It also contains hyaluronic acid. It's super blendable and doesn't dry out your under eyes. It's good for those who don't have a lot of dark circles, and if you want something for your everyday use, then definitely go for this one. Then to set the cream products in place, I'll be using the Mamaearth Glow Mattifying Loose Powder with vitamin C and aloe vera. It's so finely milled, it absorbs excess oil and shine without drying out your skin. It's a mattifying loose powder that blurs out the texture and pores, and it gives you an airbrushed flawless look. Remember, this is a translucent loose powder and not transparent, and it comes with one neutral shade. Alright, so this is how my base looks like. I've just completed the rest of my makeup and I'm back. As you all know, Mamaearth products are available on Amazon, Nykaa and Flipkart, but they are now also available in stores near you. You can message me or comment down below the next time you spot a Mamaearth store near you.
Now, in one liner, I love their foundation. I've already reviewed it on my channel. I will leave the link right here. You can go and check it out. I have reviewed their concealer as well. I will also leave the link right here. You can just go and check that out. Their concealer is really good. It's very hydrating and glowing concealer, as they say, but they don't have a lot of coverage. Still, it's good for everyday use. Now, when it comes to this loose powder, I overall really liked it. First of all, I like their packaging. Secondly, it also comes with a puff. I hope you guys can see. And the loose powder itself is really nice. It's so finely milled and it doesn't give any white cast underneath my eyes, or it doesn't look too white. And you are supposed to use a very small amount, okay? Do not overuse it. I have used it 3 to 4 times. It doesn't make my under eyes super duper dry. I hope you guys can see it doesn't look whitish underneath my eyes, which I absolutely love. If you have dry under eyes, your under eyes doesn't look extremely dry after using it. Now, when it comes to this one, overall I liked this loose powder. It does its job pretty well. It sets underneath my eyes, doesn't dry out my under eyes. It sets my base pretty well. It doesn't dry out my skin. Also, my skin doesn't look extremely matte. It gives a little bit of sheen to my skin. It's very lightweight on the skin. It doesn't make my makeup look very heavy. So yeah, overall I liked it, but I need to use it more to give you my final thoughts. So far so good. I thought of sharing this particular base makeup routine because I feel this is perfect for day-to-day use. If you are going to office or college, you want your base to look very lightweight yet very hydrating, glowy, dewy, and you don't want to use a lot of makeup products, then I think this particular base is perfect for you. I just applied a little bit of mascara, a little bit of cheek tint and a lip gloss, and that's it. Oh, I did my brows as well. So yeah, if you ask me, this is my everyday makeup look. I hope you guys find this video helpful. If you do, then please don't forget to let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. I would love to know that, and give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. So yeah guys, that's it. That brings us to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. All of the product details and links, everything is mentioned in the description box, so don't forget to check that out, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's for free, it doesn't cost you anything, but it will help me a lot. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I will see you soon in my next one.